This white is really white, very bright and clear. The logo is also really big. This is the newly released Nubia Z80 Ultra, and up until now, I still have no idea what this device actually looks like inside. So today, let's unbox it together. The packaging is pretty much the same as before. This time, the color I got is called Condensed Light White. It's a white color variant. This time, there should be a Starry Sky edition, a black version, and this white one. As for other versions, I'm not sure yet. I predict that the appearance will be pretty similar to the 70 Ultra. Alright, now here's the device itself. Let's take a look. Okay, now let's do this. Let's peel off this film. You can see here, a lot of people have been asking when Nubia would release a white phone, and this time they really did. Honestly, it looks pretty nice. The white color everyone wanted is finally here this time. And actually, the back design is a bit different from the Kirin. This white is really white, very bright and clear. The logo is also really big. And then here, around the new Vision, it's a triple setup. The one in the middle is the laser sensor and such. Overall, the feel in the hand is pretty good. It feels nice to hold. It also has a sliding button and a camera button. The feel in the hand this time is actually quite good. And the antenna edge is also made white. You can see the integration is really well done. Let's power it on. Alright, next up is our Xingyun.
iOS.
There's a charger included. Comes with a semi-hard case with a matte texture. Now, let's compare this with the Z60 Ultra Leading Edition to see the differences. It's just more rounded, and the design on the back looks a bit nicer too. As for the front, the size is basically the same.